So in here, we'll introduce you from the very first beginning until the final stage to submit it. So these are the steps that you'll be go through on. So first of all, when you come into the homepage, please register now first to coming in. Then you should roll down to the very button to agree to apply for the award. Once you click on it, you will be asking to fulfill the basic information. And with all the things be finished, click done. Then you should receive an email about your Thai registration number. So when you come in to login again, please be reminded, like you should log in, the registered number is not your email, it's actually this Thai number that you had received it. And also the password that you had been set. So once you are actually logging in, you will see in here, first step, we recommend you to download all the documentary, especially for the IP statement and the affidavit. So after you've downloaded all the document and fulfilling with this one, you should be able to upload it. And through the page, also want to quickly mention about it. The yellow color, like the update basic information and the update concept paper, are the column that for you to editing. The blue column in here are the column for you to upload documentary. Once you've been success, you will see your documentary in a green color. So the IP statement, the document is for requirement. You will have to upload it in a PDF file. So once you finish on it, move on to the update concept paper. This one will take you a much longer time with it. So here are the 4 sections you will have to fulfilling with. First is the background of your organization. Second is the past performance. Third is a description of product and idea proposal that you're applying for this time. And the fourth is your project benefits and the future objective. So as you can see on here, each of the category will also have write down a brief note about what are the content that we'll recommend you to describe about. So the organization introduction will be required not only your organization background, but also your members' experiences. So move on to the past performances. Of the past performances here, as you can see, we will recommend you to highlight about the funding, about how you're gathering the money, the list of the award, if any, you have been receiving, and whether your organization had collaborated with domestic or international customers. Another one will, if you have any like image to support your description, please upload them here, right here. Well, it's based on the IP address. Since mine is in Taiwan, so it's right now in Chinese, but the language will be changed. So third part is about the description of your product and the idea proposal. Well, all the questions actually are designed to let us, the judges, know more about your technology. The first 2 questions we were asking you to briefly introduce your solution and the core technology that can help, that you are trying to help to save the pinpoint. And after the brief introduction, from the 3rd to the 6th is giving you a guideline to explain more about the technology and giving more the detail explanation about the applied science and the implementation that you have been using on. The tip in here is like, as we introduced previously, the upload image column. We'll really recommend to upload as many of the image as you could, help the judges to having better imagination about what is the solution you are brought for. Even better, if you have a PowerPoint and you can to explain your process, you can also make it to a JPG file and upload it. And the final question here asking is about the profit model. In here is actually asking you to provide a description about your business model, how you want or you are actually making a profit with the solution that you are given. And the last one is the project benefit and the future objective. So with this one, what will be the differences with the previous, the profit model? Is actually the arrangement will be actually decided by each of the team or the organization. Some of them are probably thinking, oh, I'm not having a profit right now at the moment, but with my solution, I can imagine what can be the profit in the future. So these two are actually wanted by the arrangement. We can see how through this solution, you can actually making a profit or a business model through it. And after you fulfilling all of the documentary, click done. Then actually you are almost finished. The very last one is the optional, is to upload a supplementary document. So within the concept paper column, if you think the column didn't really, you couldn't, well, explaining that well as you wish to be, with this the upload the documentary, you can upload like a PDF file for a PowerPoint to explain better of your solution and your technology as well. So after you've all been done, it's all complete. And the next one, you can just wait to be notified of your qualifications. So that's all of the thing for today. We are now opening for the Q&A session. If anyone have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask us.